Hi, my name is Jack. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the settings for Invoice Lite by HarveyWiz apps. Remember, the setting options are adjusted to suit people worldwide. Thus, you are not obliged to fill all details. All you need is to fill what is suitable for your invoice. The first tab in the setting is the country-related options. Click on the Country and Currency tab, then select your country. In this example, I will select Australia. As you see, all data related to Australia popped out, except for a business registration expression and abbreviation. And the reason is that there is more than one option depending on how you are trading. If you click on Business Registration Expression, you will find the options. You can enter something else if you cannot see the correct expression and list. In this case, I selected Australian Business Number and click Back. I click on Abbreviation and select ABN. Now these abbreviations are the one that will appear on the invoice beside your registration number. They are optional. If you don't want them to appear to the invoice, do not put them. You can change the currency if you are on Exporter, and don't forget to put the percentage for sales tax at the bottom of the menu. I will put it as 10%. Now, the next button is for setting the trader's details. This is where you will enter your trading details that you want to put in the invoice. I will enter my trading name. Say for example Jack Harvey. I want to put the TFN, so I enter it. Now, also note that TFN and ABN are the abbreviations we selected from the previous country menu. In your case, they will be different. I enter my address and phone. That is all what I need to put on my documents, so I go back. Then I click on the logo button to put my logo. I press Select, then select it from my images. If you don't have a logo, it will not be on the invoice. You can also download the Logo Maker app in the More menu in the sidebar and create one. Then I go back to Settings and click Signature. I have the option to enter my signature using a stylus or upload it from my images. I select Sign with Stylus, then click inside the white rectangle and sign. Then press on the arrow. Now, that is my signature ready to be put on my invoices. The next option is Disclaimers. I select it, then enter the text I want to put in the disclaimer section at the bottom of my estimates, invoices, and receipts. I click on Estimates, type in. Then on Invoice. Then on Receipt. Then go back to Settings. Then we go to Naming Conventions, and this is basically how you want your document to be called. Some people would like to call the estimate quotation. Others call it quote. In my case, I will call it quote. Some call the invoice statement. Some call receipts paid invoice. It is all about how you want it to be named to appear on the document. Now is the last section. You will be able to save your discounts, surcharges, and create sections for your different products or services. I click on the Discount tab, then click on the Add button. I enter the discount name, say Products Discount, and put the value, then Save. I do the same to add surcharges. Then I click on Section tab to create my sections. I click on Add. I will enter the section name, and in my case, I'll just call it Products. and select the product's discount to associate it with this section, and save. Now whenever I select a product section to be shown in my invoice and add items, this discount will be deducted from the subtotal of this section only. I will then add a services section and associate the 5% service surcharge on it. If I want to delete any of the discounts, surcharges, or sections, all you need to do is to swipe your finger across it and press delete. I hope you found this video make it simple for you to adjust the settings. It might look like a long process, but all we need is to do it only once before we start. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos, and contact us to tell us what else you would like to see. Goodbye and happy invoicing!